Here is a quick video in our lab where we are using this C-Therm conductivity thermal conductivity meter with a MTPS sensor, so that you can see that this is the copper iodide thin film, the yellow one. So we use this instrument. It's a very handy instrument. We don't need to get lots of time. We know the previous instrument were quite time taking, and it takes 1 day to 2 day to measure, but now it's very quick. As you can see, we just put the samples and a bit of pressure and with contact with water, and yeah, just turn on the instrument, and the software is quite handy, and you can see there is a measurement going on, and it just take a couple of minutes, so you can measure up to 20 data at a time, I guess, so that you can make correlations between your data and make an average out of it. So here I'm showing you the only single data at this moment, and for the comparison we always use the substrate. So you can see there is FTO glass as well, so that we can understand what is the exact contribution from the material itself. And this is the way we are measuring, and that's quite handy, very useful, and that's what we are targeting, because our material is mostly for the building applications. So thermal conductivity is a very critical parameter to measure for our application, and this is really helpful. And there is as such no size restriction of the samples, but that's a very good point. That's a very good things about that. And we can measure liquids as well. I measure a few, my hydrogel, which is the another material where I'm working. So yeah, so that's the thing. So this is how the measurements comes, and you can see this is a copper iodide, which shows roughly the data of here close to 1.17. So yes, so that's the instrument we have, the C-Therm MTPS sensor.